Salindeke laphana uMazitha simukela ulandela omkhulu-ke we-Kaizer Chiefs loyo. Asikwemukele Mazitha engoma lafana thini sishonile namhlanje Friday niyaphila ekhaya.
Hayi mfukile njani?
Hayi mfukile nami-ke. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngelokhunye nge-Orlando Pirates noTito Maswanganyi. Njengoba mhlawumbe bokade ulalele laphana, angazi ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani indaba kaTito Maswanganyi. Is Tito Maswanganyi maybe to give you clarity, do you think character Tito Maswanganyi, is it a good character for Orlando Pirates, or maybe as a person, or maybe he's arrogant, or how do you see Tito Maswanganyi as a person?
Sanibonani balandeli, uMazitha lo number 1 fan yeKhosi. Njengoba ngasho last, uyakhumbula iPirates angisakhumbula beyidlala nani, ngathi uTito une problem. So I think he has anger issues. Unenhliziyo encane. So it does strike ukuthi why ucoach asamdlalisa. So we can also ask ourselves ukuthi umdlalisa because he's a good player, umnikeza lento ayifunayo na, or is there a pressure coming from above that we also don't know? Uyoyazi ucoach, because at the end of the day ucoach uyoyenza ama decision. But uTito yena shem umkhaya has anger issues. I've observed that. Bekafana nabantu abofana nabo bethubana, bekimfanisa nabo Ribeiro. No bamkwena, so banama anger issues. You can see those people, they have anger issues. So I don't know ukuthi abo doctor or ama psychologists, they have not picked that up, or badila nazo, that we don't know, but Shem definitely has a problem.
Yeah, we can all see ukuthi there is a little bit of a problem with Tito, and maybe someone will say maybe he's a bit different than your normal people, but we've seen ama-scenes where axabane khona no-coach wabona ukuthi kwacishe kwaliwa laphana, they almost threw punches between them. And then we also seen where when he is not substituted, you can read the body language of a person, and you can't convince older people like us to say, I know maybe the player was tired or whatever. We can see we've been with football for some time now. And then there will be fancy ways that will come and say, no, maybe these people are introverts. Today we have introverts. I don't understand how can being an introvert elements Tito that is showing to a coach or to a team, because there were scenes where this new player, Orlando Pirates, where they were celebrating, I think, through my friends, and then he was clapping, but not with the team, like sitting down, like how you see when your Mamelodi Sundowns and maybe your Kaizer Chiefs, all players together and doing one and the same thing. So I definitely believe Uguti, what you are saying, Uguti, he has a problem. I definitely believe Uguti problem in Nikon. Yes, Mazit.
Yes. Bengisafunda lapha kunomunye ulowe lapha, we can't say yes inga issues, that's too deep. Yes, I know that's too deep. Why am I saying this? I'm not concluding, but ngokubona kwami, I'm a nurse and I deal with kind of people, so some other things you can see. So facial expression yakhe, it does say a lot. So angisakwazi nokuthi ngizothini. Okunye ungathi ukudelela. Mina what I've seen, kunenye i-video clip ngayibona ucoach ethethisa uTito, and then Tito said when there's a problem you are saying iqalwe yini. Yeah, so I don't know ukuthi yini ebacabanisayo, or maybe uTito lo mntwana ostoti eclassini vele abantwana mabarasa bavele bathi uwe noma kungasi uye, we don't know beyond the scenes ukuthi kwenzakalani. But mina ngokubona kwami angibona ngathi kunama anger issues. Yes, something that he has to deal with.
I agree. I agree. Ngoba nami mangithi ngiyayibuka indaba kaTito, I mean nawe la usebenza khona kuyenzeka uxabane mhlambe kube khona ukuphambana kwembono with your colleagues, same like any other worker at a place, but you must, as someone, maybe a normal person will find it right ukuthi ayidlulise leyo nto leyo, because we've seen this thing where baxabana bacishe bambana ngezandla, and then but manje you'll expect ukuthi maybe this thing will be brushed off, and then understand ukuthi no, this is my coach, this is the person who can improve me. But the way ubukeka ngakhona sometimes unokufila sengathi maybe he thinks this coach maybe again coach maybe ongamcoacha, but you also ask yourself ukuthi kanjani, because he's also putting him starting a lineup somewhere somehow. Maybe it goes back to the point ukuthi kanti who is putting Tito in the team if you can see ukuthi the body language of Tito and the coach ukuthi no, there's this thing ukuthi there's no good blood between them.
Yeah, even though bengisho ukuthi we don't know ukuthi why I'm Dlalisa if there's issues. Dlalisa because he's good at what he's at, or kune ama instructions above, or bamnikeza yona coach.
Yeah, of which ke kuyobabuhlungu ke lokho ngoba kuye kube kubi mawukuthi iplayer lifunzwa ucoach and then fanele iplayer silibone noma uthola ukuthi abalandeli noma ucoach akaboni ukuthi iplayer fanele lifake, but maybe for some certain reasons, and then maybe player to funzwa ucoach ukuthi alifake. But then we are hoping ukuthi we will see maybe a better Tito or a situation iba ngconywana. Talking about wena njengoba umlandeli olubuka ibhola, does uTito fits in Coach Owado's system, judging by how you look and watch football Orlando Pirates?
Leyo isanda kuba nzima. Isanda kuba nzima because ngebehavior yakhe njengoba usho ukuthi if umsebenzi niyacabana no boss yakho kufanele kube nomuntu oziyehlisayo. So judging by his football, the way adlala ngakhona, yes, he does fit, but scratcher because of his behavior, the way behavior ngakhona, ama facial expressions wakhe mawukhipha iplayer iyenza that facial expression ukudelela umntwana odelelayo. So asazi brawa masazi bhakabhaka.
Yeah, Mazita, we are hoping ukuthi maybe this situation, maybe it will be addressed maybe in a more professional way. Ngendlela yokuthi tholakala solution, because it's not a good picture, especially for us, our fans, because we love Tito, we love Coach Owado. They have both proven themselves what they deserve to play for a big institution. We're talking about Orlando Pirates, but when we see what we need both these people, and we see what environment between them, then you ask yourself, what if they didn't say a team or even other technical staff members where we see this thing escalating. But that being said, Mazita, this weekend uzobuphumule ubuka iChiefs in Sundowns njengoba ushilo ukuthi awuyithanda. Ngifisa ukuthi ungiphe ukuthi umdlalo wa Sunday iArrows ikhiphile iArrows ku MTN 8 and then idlala neMamelodi Sundowns, team ongayithandisisi kahle. So how are you seeing that game? Ubani ufuna wine lapho?
It's gonna be a tough game. iSundowns ngiyayizonda because ithatha ama cup kaningi, so ngifuna irelax yekela abanye bathathe, ngizondela lokho kuphela, but yona iyadlala kahle. Ne-Arrows iyadlala, so we mustn't singayibheki leyo, iyadlala iArrows. So but I'm hoping iArrows win. I'm just hoping Arrows win. I don't want iSundowns win.
Okay, I know Mazita bafowethu loyo uyayisho ukuthi emdlalweni wangesonto ufisa ukuthi iArrows iwine. Siyazi ukuthi umdlalo uzoba ne-second leg loyo, of which is going to be tough for Golden Arrows to match the quality of Mamelodi Sundowns, of which now they started slow, but you can see because of quality they can win any game at any given time. So Mazita siyabonga kakhulu nkosazane, kube kuhle sithemba ukuthi sodibana nakusasa after igame Orlando Pirates.
Nakanjani?
Aphumula Khosi. That was Mazita, our sister, Khosi fan. Thanda kakhulu.